The great thing about starting a business is that you then become the master of your own destiny. If you're making a difference and if you're living your passion, that's a great lifestyle. I've coached a number of different types of businesses, both existing businesses and new businesses. And they've ranged from food catering to consulting to an online businesses. What I've noticed is commonalities. They all have similar issues with finance, operations, and managing workflow. That's why they would benefit from having a business coach, because they'll be able to look at what you do in each of those stages and go, okay, perhaps you can do a little bit less of this, focus on this a bit more. It gives you that fresh eye, and it gives you an eye that genuinely cares about you doing well in the business. What we're there to do is to not be the expert in the business, but support you in running the business.
I think having a support network is one of the most important things for running your own business, because without the support of the people around you, you're going to struggle taking on the burden yourself. You can't be expected to know everything. So using myself as an example, I have a technical background, but I don't necessarily have a business background. And having access to my business coach enabled me to have access to the skills and the resources that I don't necessarily have. So I can just pick people's brains and get their advice and support as well.
Whether you're an existing business or whether you're a new business, you can be part of this program. What we are looking to do is to help the small business community just lift up. They've gone through a lot, and small business goes through a lot anyway. Accessing professional support will help you gain the knowledge. It will clear away self-doubt.